the forest will help heal you. So if you experience either the chub rub between your thighs or small cuts and abrasions, foot splits, anything like that out on the trail, there's a really simple and easy way to fix that. You want to find yourself a pine tree. If you don't know what a pine tree looked like, think Christmas tree with like really soft needles. So I'm going to take my knife, try to collect some of that pine sap. So right there, that's the pine sap, that's exactly what we needed. I do apologize if this is gross or disgusting to you. You can definitely see a heel crack. So I'm just going to heat this up. Obviously, we're not going to heat it up to the point where it's going to injure me or burn me. You don't want to put it on hot. So just like that. And basically just coat the wound in it. Again, make sure you don't burn yourself with this stuff. Just like that, I've sealed 2 of these. Now, pine sap is microbacterial. It has great healing properties. It's all kinds of good stuff for your body. And it works.